Welcome to week 6 class for experimental experimental methods. This week we're talking about survey research, and so I'm excited about this week, and I hope you are as well. You've all been doing a really great job of keeping up and getting in your group and getting those labs done, because those labs really relate well to your experiment. So survey research employs questionnaires and interviews to talk to people, to give more information about themselves, their attitudes, their beliefs, their ideas, demographics like age, gender, income, marital status, and all of those kinds of things. And this is so that we can make predictions, hopefully, about maybe past or intended future behaviors. So why do we use surveys? Surveys or interviews are a common and important method of studying behavior. There's many variables like attitudes, emotional states, and self-report of this behavior is sort of one of the easiest ways to get more information. And so an assumption that underlies the use of questionnaires and interviews is that people are going to be willing and able to provide truthful and accurate information or answers to our questions. So researchers have addressed this issue by studying possible biases in the way that people respond. So a response set is the tendency to respond to all questions from a particular perspective, rather than providing answers that are directly related to all the questions. So response sets can affect the usefulness of the data that's being obtained from self-report. The most common response set is called social desirability, or faking good. The MMPI, for example, has a whole scale dedicated to the idea of, did they fake good or did they try to look good? Actually, 3 scales related to that. So a social desirability response set might lead a person to underreport undesirable behaviors or ideas, like, for example, drug or alcohol use, sort of underreporting drug or alcohol use, or underreporting activities related to criminal behavior, that kind of thing. Or they might overreport positive behaviors, so the amount of exercise one does or the amount of healthy eating that one does. However, it should be kind of assumed that people consistently will misrepresent themselves to some degree. So just a quick snippet about survey research. Hopefully you enjoy this week's chapter, and I'll post a couple more videos for you for this week.